Uh, Hello guys, good morning. So in this section today we are going to cover a very small topic and which is related to most interview questions asked whenever you're going for automation testing, Selenium Java interview questions. So this is the topic. We have to write the Java program to reverse the words in a string. So there are two basically ways to do that. So we can reverse these words of string in two different ways. First is like when we are reversing the string word by word, but each word character are unchanged. Like for example, we have a string called how to do in Java. So we are reversing the string word by word, but each word characters are unchanged. Like the last word is first position, and then second last comes second position, and then first word has gone to last. So this is one way, and the second way is we are reversing each word character, but the position of the word are unchanged. So for example, same string how to do in Java, we will reverse each word characters, and the position of these words are same. Like we are reversing bow, to, do, and each word character is same. So basically we will be starting in Eclipse. So I'll go to my Eclipse. I've created this package. So I will be creating one Java class. So firstly I'll be creating main method. I'll be taking input string. So this is my input string. Now I will be splitting this string into different words by creating a string array. So this is my string array. Using split function, I will be splitting this. Okay, I think I have to import. Sorry, I have not created as an array. Okay, so I have created splitted this string into string array, and that array is words. Okay, now I'll be creating one variable which will store this reverse string. I'll initialize this to empty string. Okay, so next is we will reverse each word position. Basically we are going to reverse that and without changing the word characters. So for that we will be creating one for loop. Int I is equal to 0, then I is less than words. Since it is an string array, we will be iterating from 0 to length of this array I plus plus. Okay, so within this for loop we will add we will add these words. So first I value will be 0. Okay, so I'll be taking words of I plus, initially the value of this reverse string variable is 0. So initially it will take the first string array value, which is welcome. So once I becomes 0, this welcome word will be added to this reverse string variable, and since it is initialized, so initially this reverse string will have welcome. So now it will come out of this for loop. uh, just 1 second, I'll just write system dot out dot enter. So here we will be printing the reverse string. So I was talking about once the I value is reinitialized to 1, since I is plus plus, so it will check whether 1 is less than word or length of this word. So here there are 0, 1, 2, 3, total 4 words. So it will come inside the for loop, and it will concatenate words of I, which is second word, which is 2. So initially the value was reverse string value was welcome. So now it will concatenate 2 with welcome. So it becomes 2 welcome. Again it will come to for loop, and it will check I value will become 2. Now 2 is less than length of string. So it will again go inside the loop, and it will take the third word, and it will add it with the to welcome. So it will come Java to welcome. Likewise, it will go to the fourth I value, and it will concatenate the string, and finally we'll be printing the reverse string value here. Okay, so I think this should run now. So here basically I'll start again. We are trying to reverse the word in a string, like in such a way that each word characters are unchanged. So let us try to run this program. We'll run a Java application. So if you can see, it is giving me my word was welcome to Java Rohit. So it has reversed my string in such a way that Rohit has come here. I think it is not doing the expected output. 1 second. Rohit Java to welcome. Just a second. I think they have done some mistake here. Yeah, sorry guys. So we were discussing. We have us not given a space here. So if we try to run it again now, so it is giving me like Rohit, then Java, then two, and then welcome. So initially our string was welcome to Java Rohit. So now it has given us a proper output. If you want, we can put a debugger and show you the execution. We'll add a debugger here and see one by one. So let us debug here. So if you can see, this is my string here. So once it splits all the words 0, 1, 2, 3, welcome to Java Rohit, these are 4 words of that string, and then it goes to reverse string is initialized to 0, means the null value. And once we go inside the loop from 0 to initially the I value will be 0, and we will concatenate word of 0, which is word of 0 is welcome. So it will concatenate and print added to reversing. So now reverse string value becomes welcome here. If you can see, now I will increment to 1. I becomes 1. Now it has added word of I. Word of I is 1. So that means 2. So 2 with welcome it is added. So it becomes 2 welcome. Now again, if you increment the value of I to 2. Now it will become I becomes 2 and it will concatenate the third word, which is Java here. So it becomes Java 2 welcome. Same thing when I becomes 4, it has printed the reverse string. So this is first program. Now we'll be starting second program. Yeah, so we have done with this program. Now we'll be starting with the second one, where we are reversing each word character, but position of these words in a string are unchanged. So we want output like this word position is same, but we are reversing only the each word characters here. So let's start now. Again, we are creating one new Java class. We'll be creating a main method. So basically what we are doing, we are trying to read the string. We will read that string from the input and we will split the string by using space as delimiter, and then we will basically try to loop through all the words one by one, and we will reverse character of each word within that loop and we will print the final string. So let's take the scanner class and create a reference variable, creating the object system.in. So we will be printing the original string here. Okay. From this reference variable, next line. So we have taken the input, uh, input string. Now we are closing the scanner class. Oh, now what we will do, we will split the string by using space as a delimiter. So string of words I is equal to, what is the input string is original str, right? So we will use split here. Also we will take the one variable where we are going to store the reverse string. We will initialize to null here. Now basically what we will do, we will run a for loop starting from I0 to length of this array, which we have splitted the string into character string array. So for int I is equal to 0 till I is the words of length. So basically we will take each word one by one and put it in a string variable. So we will create a new variable word and we will take words of I. So since we are taking one by one word, so we want to reverse these words, correct? So we will add one more variable, reverse word here, and initialize to 0. Now since we are want to reverse each word character, so we will start with int j is equal to 0, not 0. We will take start from length of start from the last character. So we have to take the length of this word. So word dot length minus 1, then j is greater than or equal to 0, then j minus minus. So basically we have to go to the last character. uh, Basically this is string, right? So we have to take it as method. So we will take each word and start from the last character. So we have to start from length and then decrease it. So what we will do, we will use this variable and concatenate with the word dot caret j, correct? So we'll be iterating from last character of each word, and we will take that word by character and concatenate with this variable. So firstly, suppose we have taken first word. So I will just show you how we will run this once we debug this. So now we will print the reverse string here. Outside the first for loop, we will take this reverse string and concatenate with reverse word, and plus we will add one space here. So outside the second for loop, we will print this string. So yeah, so outside the second for loop we will print this. So we can print reverse string is this, and this is my main method, and that is a class. So yeah, let us try to run this. So we have to enter the string, I am Shweta. So it is giving me I am is single character, so it has given reverse only the last word. So that is the expected output. Suppose if you want to run, I will give some other string. This is Java class. So the reverse string is, it has reverse this, then is, then Java, then class. So that is the expected output. So I'll just show you in the debug mode. Input debugger and review the execution again. I hope this is clear till now. So let us debug and show you the output in the debug mode. So this is Java class. So once I go to, so original string is, this is Java class. So now it will try to split the string. So if you see, this has split it into four different words. This is Java class 40123. Now it will go to the first for loop and it will start from 0 to length of this string array. Then initially the reverse string initialized to null, I value becomes 0. Now it will take each word one by one and it will store it in this word variable. So initially the first element of the string is this. So it will start from length of this word, this. So so it will take the last character. I think once it goes inside the for loop, it will take the length, and then it will this reverse word will be concatenated with the character of that first word. So it will take the last word of the last character of the this word. So it adds the last character is S. Again it will decrement the J value. It will take I value. Yeah. So J value becomes 2, and it will concatenate S. Then it becomes, J value will decrement to 1. It will take H and it will add reverse word as H. Again it will go to decrement J to 0 and it will add this. So first word has been reversed. So you can see this is the reverse word. Now again it will print this word reverse string. So reverse string, if you see, reverse string becomes, since it has not come outside the second for loop, I value will become, so it has stored this reverse string value here, and I value becomes 1. So now again the same process will start. So now I value becomes 1, so it goes inside the for loop, and it will take word as is now, and it will go inside the second for loop and take the j value and adds, concatenates the last character of second word, which is s. Again it will go and print the second, so s is reversed now. It will come outside the second for loop and it will concatenate with the reverse string. So second word is also reversed now. Now I value becomes 2. It takes the third word, which is Java, and it will reverse Java now. So one by one. So it has reversed the Java word now, and it will concatenate with the original reverse string. So Java is also reversed now. I value becomes 3 now. It will take the words class and it will reverse this class. So one by one it will reversing the class now. Now it will concatenate with the string. So all the words are now reversed, and finally it will print the string. So you see, this is reverse, this is reverse now. Java is also reverse, and class is also reverse. So this is the second program which I have just now shown. We are reversing each word character, but the position of these words are unchanged. We are just only reversing each word of this sentence, and we are just printing like this. So I hope second is program is also clear. So I hope you liked my session. Please do subscribe my channel, which is Rohit Automation Techie, and I hope you will subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I hope you like my videos. Please do subscribe my channel. We'll meet you for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.